Hello, let's learn logarithms today. So, logarithms and exponents, you can see they are inverse of each other. So, here I have written 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to 8. Okay, so how we will write it in exponent form? In logarithm form, it is log of 8 to the base 2 equals 3. Okay, so as you can see here, I have plotted the graph of y equals to 2 raised to the power x, and it's a reflection over y equal to x-axis, which is x equals to 2 raised to the power y. So actually these are what? These are inverse of each other. So in x equals to b raised to the power y, we read y is logarithm of x to the base b, and we write it in this form. Okay, so this is the main basic of logarithms. So if it is, say, something 5 raised to the power 4 is equal to 625, so what does it mean? We say that log of 625 to the base 5 is 4. So this way you can write exponents in logarithm forms. Okay, now let us do a few questions. Okay, so here I have written one. Log of 256 to the base 4 is equal to what? We have to evaluate. So what I can do is I can write this as log 256 to the base 4 is equal to y, and then I say that 256 is actually what? This is 4 raised to y. So 256 is what? This is 4 raised to 4, and this is 4 raised to y. So comparing the powers, I have 4 equals y. So this is how we evaluate log 256 to the base 4. Now let us do the next one. Log of 5 to the base 125 is equal to what? So let us do log of 5 to the base 125. Let us say this is y. So I can say that 5 is equal to 125 raised to the power y. So this is 5 raised to the power 1. 125 is 5 raised to the power 3 raised to the power y. So it would be multiplied. Comparing the powers, I can say 1 is equal to 3y, and say dividing by 3 on both the sides. So 1 over 3 is y. So your answer here, it would be 4. Here it would be 1 over 3. Now let us solve the next one. This is log of x to the base 16 is equal to 5 by 2. So how we will write? We will write it as x is equal to 16 raised to the power 5 by 2. So that can be 16 is what? 16 is the square of 4. So I will write 4 squared raised to the power 5 by 2. So these 2's would get cancelled out. So I will be left with x is equal to 4 raised to the power 5, and 4 raised to the power 5 is 1024. Let me check. Just a second, let me check. Yeah, 4 raised to the power 5 is 1024. Now let us solve one more equation of logarithm I have written here. So log of x square minus 15 to the base 3 is equal to log of 2x to the base 3. Okay, so bases are same. We have to make sure. I will make one more video where we have change of base formula and all. So we will be going into deep with this, but right now I have taken same base numbers only, so there is no problem. So we can now simply compare x square minus 15 is equal to 2x, and then doing the balancing thing, negative 2x, negative 2x. So I will be getting x square minus 2x minus 15 equals 0. Then we can solve this quadratic equation by splitting the middle term. Negative 15 I can write as negative 5 positive 3. So here x minus 5 and x plus 3 equals 0. So this gives me x equals either 5 or x equals negative 3 as my solution. Now here we are not done. We have to check our solutions. So I will first plug in x equal to 5. So here let me do log to the base 3 x square, which is 5 square minus 15 equals log of 2 times 5 to the base 3. So now what is this? This is log to the base 3. 25 minus 15 is 10, and log to the base 3, 2 5's are 10. So yes, my left hand side and right hand side are equal. So x equal to 5 is a valid solution. Now let us check for x equals to negative 3. So checking for x equals to negative 3 here. So log to the base 3, negative 3 squared minus 15 is equal to log to the base 3 2 times of negative 3. Now the thing is, this is 9. 9 minus 15 is negative 6, and here also we are getting negative 6. But we have to keep in mind that log of negative number is always undefined. Okay, so we say log of negative number, log of negative number is undefined, and hence this negative 3 answer would be extraneous solution. Okay, so we say that the solution for this equation is what? The solution is only x equals 5 but not negative 3, as x equals to negative 3 is extraneous solution. I hope you understood. Yeah, now in next video I will be coming up with more problems on logarithms, change of base, natural base, and all we will be doing. Keep practicing. All the best.